This video reveals the performance differences between a high-mass, low-conductivity gypsum concrete system and a low-mass, high-conductivity warmboard system. In another video, we show the very slow performance of gypsum concrete with 12-inch centers. This explains why the amount of tubing in these systems is often doubled to allow for faster response. This test shows 6-inch tubing spacing versus warmboard's standard 12-inch spacing. We controlled variables by setting up the two systems side by side under identical test conditions. While the actual test time is reflected in the running clock, this video has been sped up to run in a few minutes. The heat supplied by a radiant system is measured in British thermal units, or BTUs per square foot. The bar graphs to the side of each panel reflect the average heat output of each test panel. Let's watch the complete video now. 10 BTUs per square foot is a common heating requirement on an average day in the winter. Notice that warmboard reaches that requirement in about 20 minutes. Also notice how heat has flowed evenly across this panel. The gypsum system has started heating, but the area between the tubing is not yet providing any heat. Let's continue the test until the gypsum system reaches that 10 BTU output. The gypsum reaches the 10 BTU output after 1 hour, 3 times slower than warmboard, which is now supplying 14 BTUs from the same water temperature. As time progresses, the gypsum concrete system continues to trail behind warmboard. This table of results tells the final story. Warmboard provides more heat, more evenly, and in 1/3 the time. And even after increasing the number of manifolds, doubling the amount of tubing, and doubling the labor to install that tubing, warmboard still outshines the competition. Regarding energy efficiency, with such a faster response time, warmboard avoids overheating your home in the afternoon. It allows you to use energy-saving nighttime setback thermostats, which are simply not an option for a high-mass system, which takes many hours to respond. And much lower supply water temperature requirements save energy hour after hour, year after year. This test proves that the low-mass, high conductivity of warmboard is vastly superior to the gypsum systems of the past. Homeowners choose radiant heating for comfort and energy efficiency, and when they want the ultimate, they choose warmboard.